my previous readings, oh my goodness, it's still surprising. It's not that surprising, but still I'm just really surprised as well that, you know, it resonated with a lot of you. If you had watched it, or if you're guided to watch them, please do so. And thank you. So yes, let's just start with this. These are beautiful cards. Look at those feathers. Yes. Just continue now with the reading. I did my, you know, meditation and prayers and was tuning in. I always do that one before I start the recording. So let's just start. If you've been seeing lots of feathers as well, and that just flew. Speaking of birds, just a second. Yes. Oh wow, look at this. And there are twos facing to me as well, so let's just get this 4. That's 0303. Blue jay. Beautiful. The time is right to access and master your abilities. Do so with humility and control. I think this is just really a confirmation, a reminder, or just really a divine guidance that you are really getting a lot of divine guidance at this time. You are channeling it into whatever ways you are really guided to channel it. It could be writing, it could be songwriting coming up as well, writing a book. You could be doing like what I do as well, through cards, or just simply like channeling it. But you have painting as well, so there's really a lot of ways to channel it, even like dancing, singing. Yes, in whatever creative ways you are guided to do so. Even if you think that you're not, you know, you don't do such kind of like, I'm getting sketching as well. So yeah, but you are really humble. Like you are humble in a sense, like you are not out there. Yeah, of course you're proud of what you do, but you are not like boastful. Like people who don't even know you doesn't even really know that, you know, you have this, and that's 444. You have these capabilities or skills or ancient knowledge. Yes, so that's beautiful. The goose. Yes, speaking of birds, you have lots of geese here